After cleaning is complete, if the robot is not going to be used for a long period of time, please pour the residual liquid out. If a cleaning solution is used, it is recommended to flush the water tank with a small amount of clean water after use. Remove the dirty cleaning pad, rinse it with clean water, and then wring it out and leave to dry before its next use. Place the new pad flat onto the inside of the cleaning pad plate on the bottom of the robot, noting that the wide or narrow side of the pad corresponds to the wide or narrow side of the cleaning pad plate. Before cleaning, make sure that the power switch on the bottom of the robot is switched to the eye and the fan is turned off. Check the drive wheel tracks via the EcoVax Home app remote control. If the tracks get dirty, pause and wipe them clean with a clean dust pad. Clean the fan with a dry pad to avoid loss of suction power by the robot. Wipe the anti-drop sensors with a dry pad to maintain its sensitivity. Wipe the side roller with a dry pad to maintain its sensitivity. If you plan not to use the robot for a long period of time, we suggest you fully recharge it, power it off, and store it. Recharge it at least once every 6 months to keep the battery at optimal performance and prevent it from being damaged due to it over-discharging. This is the end of the operating guide. Thank you for watching. For more information, please tap on the app and check the Help and Feedback section for more details.